up for it.
20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him. He knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a
Can you
story,
cover for
making
me?
sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tuck's picking it up. Let's go.
Much never concerned with status, but still leaving the starstruck. Humble through opportunities, giving this life a fact. The man he misjudged because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself and a bunch of connects. Never asking for someone's help. To get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote.
Maybe I'm just starving? No energy.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Roddy was ill. So the party be the one that set the Western flames. And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him
Pass
to
the
church.
ball
I'm
right
like,
now.
man, why you had the stupidest person as dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest
Guess
spots.
my
It's
back
not
ain't
enough,
enough, huh?
fucking with that stuff.
10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Calling Roddy was sick and he's spitting fire and light. The diary's hot, found him in Fort Minor with top.
My bad. Can you cover for me?
What a lovely assist.
Got this whole get shot 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with is taking over the globe. He's
Me,
got a partner in
crush
crime. This shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's
My bad.
throat.
Can you cover for me?
He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a common on his name. People keep asking him, was it giving up? There's a step on that, but no, he's leaving pools. Put the rocket
No
in
way
the
I'm
face.
moving
Too
that
much
fast.
quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew, I know the Rams wanted the best. Dedicated to the victory, to get 100%.
Yeah, like, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line. I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like the design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with the kids that he signed are ridiculous without even trying. How do they do this? Is 10%.
No way I'm moving that
20%
fast.
skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
I step victorious. Maybe I'm just starving?
Concentrated power
No energy.
5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
For a mere human, you're quite
Don't
desperate.
worry, I'll make up for it.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't
Don't
need his
worry,
name up in lights,
I'll
he
make
just
up
wants to
for
be
it.
heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him. He knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down,
Success
taking it
comes
up.
after hundreds of tries, you know?
Never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving the starstruck. Humble through opportunities, given despite the fact. The man he misjudged because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself and a bunch of connects. Never asked for someone's help. To get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill from nonsense. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear. Cause Roddy was ill. People would have thought he'd be the one that set the Western flames. And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth,
Why
took him
would
to
you
church.
not?
I'm like, bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest person as dude is the truth. And everybody giving them guest spots.
No way I'm moving that fast.
Fucking with that stuff.
10% luck,
Cheer up.
20% skill,
You're still quicker than me.
concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Calling Roddy was sick, he's spitting fire and mics.
Success comes after hundreds of tries, you know?
He's a prick, he's a cop, the type women wanna be with him. Rappers hope he gets shot 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. The record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block, he knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top.